Hi.
Can you introduce yourself?
Sure.
First question, what's your name?
My name is Michael Chan.
Wow, nice name. Next, how old are you?
I'm 17 years old.
Okay, where do you live?
I live in Trisula Street, Aram.
Alright, moving on. What major are you in?
Accounting.
Good. After that, what grade are you in?
11.
Okay. What's your favorite subject?
Maybe accounting subject.
That's cool. What's your hobby?
My hobby is playing a game with my friend, sleep, eat, and singing.
Nice. Next question. Do you have a favorite food?
Yes, I have. My favorite food is padang rice or fried rice.
Oh, so delicious.
You?
Do you have a pet?
Mm, I don't have pet.
Okay. And last one. What do you do after school?
I'm home, eat, sleeping, and playing a game.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you next time.